DIY Outdoor Kitchen introduces the Custom Angle Kit. The Custom Angle Kit connects two separate modules together at any angle that you need to fit your landscape. This really is a great kit that allows you to make a custom outdoor kitchen island. The modules are sold separately. This is only the parts to connect the two modules together. You can see how they butt together on the front, so you could have set this at any angle you wanted before using the kit to tie it in. The kit ties in the front, and the kit fills in the back empty spot between these two modules. That's the Custom Angle Kit, and it's in stock, ready to ship today. So the first thing we want to do is take our bending tube. It's pre-cut for you in the center. And we go ahead and we position it so it bends from the back of this one to the back of that one. We try to line the center cut to the center of the front like this. We like to lay down a VT to see how it lines up, and then you can measure from here to there and from there to there to make sure these are even. So if it's 16¼ this way, it should be 16¼ that way. So you can kind of measure and get this nice and even, the angle. Then we'll go ahead and pull out this VT we're using to kind of like get our angle good. And now we've clamped it on both sides, and we're gonna take our pen and we're gonna draw a line just before the edge here, and we draw a line before that edge, and then we take it out and cut it on our chop saw. Now we unclamped it, and we're gonna take it up against the other angle one, right? And then we'll just copy our marks down to the other one, so when we cut it, they'll both be the exact same length. Perfect. On your one-way couplers, we trim off one side of the flap, so that way it makes it better for the kit. Okay, so we took our first VT and we clamped it here. It's sitting on the angle, right on the edge here. And it's clamped nice and flush. And you can see where the other connector coming out. So now we'll go ahead and we'll lock this in with this flap with 2 screws and make it flush here and flush there. And then we'll go ahead and do another one on that end. And then we'll be able to run the top one across and add the extra 2 VTs here, and it'll be finished. There's one screw. Let's do a second one. Perfect. Now we'll go ahead and install the VT over here the same way. Okay, so now we got the left one in position. We'll screw it in. So now we got the left and right one screwed into the bottom of the angle frame here. Now we're going to take our 2 connector plates and install it on the inside of the connection here. We do one high and one low, and we repeat that on the other side as well. This straight out, because if you knock it in, it might stick out into where you're going to put the cement board. So just leave this straight for now. So you can see it's nice and flush on the cement board side with no screw heads. You don't want to put your connector plates on this side because you'd have screw heads. You have to do it on the inside. Just like this. Perfect. Now repeat that on the other side. Now we go ahead and we'll take a VT in the center area here. There's the bottom screwed in, 2 screws. And we'll go ahead and screw the top. We go ahead and install the last VT here. So you can see that we have 2 VTs on this section, 2 VTs on that side. So when you do your cement board, it'll come out and they'll both touch at the angle here in the gap area, your cement board. It's really starting to look like a nice angle module here, but it's just a simple kit. It saves a lot of money because it's not a module. We used to have a 45-degree module, but the thing with that is that we had to charge more money, and secondly, you couldn't make a custom angle. This one, you can make any angle you need to fit your landscape. So that's the custom angle kit, and you can see how easy it is, and it works very nicely to match your landscape's angles.